Okay guys, we're gonna do logarithms and indices. I know a lot of people are very scared of this question. I was also very scared a long time ago. But honestly, it's one of the easiest if you know the real concepts and if you get the tricks on how to solve these questions. So it's not very straightforward, but if you know the tricks, there's a lot of ways you can finish the question very quickly. It's not a question that usually requires a lot of working. So let's do this first. Now, when you look at these things, right, you don't need to worry about how, why, whatever. I'm just going to teach you the fastest way to understand this kind of questions. So log 10 9, it basically means it's a logarithm with base 10 and the number is 9 . So this is technically solvable already. You can click it into your calculator. Log 10 9. There's a log number, and then there's a log button, you log, and then you press 9, and then it will give you a decimal point, a decimal number, which you can already put here. But you cannot solve it yet. You cannot just put the decimal and then power to y. But what you can do in terms of log, we have a rule. The first rule is if you have a log something, then the number, and then you have power to the power of something, let's say the power of y, you can bring this y to the front. Okay, so it can actually becomes y log 10 9 equals to same thing here. You can bring the powered here, you can bring this down to the front, you can bring this down to over here. So this one becomes 3 minus 1 bracket log 10 5. Okay, so why you want to do this is because we can solve this in a calculator. You can put log 5, you will get a number. So let me show you how. So you're going to count y log 10 9 is 0.954. Oh, disclaimer, I am using the example from edunation.my. It's another great educational website that you can use. I'm using the example there because I don't have a calculator here. So what is log 10 5? You click log 10 5 into the calculator, you will get 0.699. Okay, so you see the pattern here already or not? You see how you want to solve for y or not? They ask you to find y lah. Sorry, I should have mentioned that earlier. They're asking you to solve for y. So you just do this, just times it in, you can solve it already. 0.954y equals to 2.097y, because this one times this one, and then this one times this one becomes, right? So that's it. You solve blah blah blah. Sorry, I don't have a calculator, so I can't really show you, but this, you bring the y's to one side, you bring the full number to the other side, so it becomes 2.097y minus 0.954y. This one bring over here becomes 0.699. So when you minus the y's, you will get 1.143y, and then you will get 0.699. So how you solve for y? Bring the y this part, this one you divide over to this side, so it becomes 0.699 divided by 1.143, and that is your answer lah. Whatever answer it is lah, it's a decimal point, but the answer doesn't matter. What I want you to understand is that the first law that you can understand is it is a log 10 and there's a number here, and then they have a power or something, you just bring this one down. Same thing over here. If there's a power to something, you bring the whole power down to the front. So when that happens, you can already solve it already, because y log 10 9, which is a decimal number that you can get from the calculator, and then this one also, you bring the 3y minus 1 down to the front, you get this one, log 10 5. Then you just punch in the number from the calculator, 0.954, 0.699, solve basic algebra, you'll get y. Okay. Hey guys, just to do a bit of promotion lah, yeah. So I'm giving out private classes to anyone that wants to join face to face. I only charge 150 ringgit a month. I can teach 3 main subjects for now. First is mathematics, so we can do form 4 and form 5. Then we can do guitar lessons. I'm a guitar player since I was 10 years old. I know the basics. I can teach you the basic chords and the understanding of the time signatures and a bit of music theory. But we can also make it very fun and just play songs, play along with songs. And third, I can also do public speaking lessons, so I can teach you how to speak in public and on a stage, and how to structure a speech as well. So these are three different, very diverse subjects, and I charge all of them for 150 ringgit a month. You can show your parents or anybody that needs to know. Happy to give a call, or happy to speak to your parents first, or speak to you directly if you want to have more clarification. We can have it free and easy. We can do it at your house or my house, or we can go to a cafe and basically keep changing environments so that you have a fun time every time you come to the class. But obviously for guitar, we probably need a private place, either your house or we can rent a room. But yeah, just let me know. I look forward to teaching you guys face to face if you like my style of teaching. I enjoy teaching. Teaching is not my first job actually. I have another job, but I do this for a passion, and that's why I don't mind charging a lower rate lah than market. So let me know. Thank you.